guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So today I'm bringing you guys this look, and I created this look using my Sugabee Cosmetics palette. So definitely if you would like to see how I achieved this, I don't even know what to call this look, but whatever it's called in the description box or the title of this video, that's what it's called. So yeah, basically this is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the subscribe button down below before the video starts. And yeah, let's get right into this tutorial. Hey guys, so this tutorial is going to focus mostly on the eyes. I hope you guys are all doing well with all this craziness that's going on. But I'm bringing you guys this, spring makeup look. It's like a blue spring makeup look. I was inspired by spring, because it's getting warm outside. But yeah, right now I'm priming my eyes with my Smashbox 24-hour Studio Skin Primer. And all the products will be in the description box for sure, because I might forget a few things. But I went in with my Maziyah palette, and this is from Sugabee Cosmetics. I absolutely love their palettes, and the color you saw me pointing to was Envy. So I'm just putting that color all on my crease and just blending that in. It's gonna act like a transition color. And next I'm gonna go ahead with that color Pink Pearls, and this color was like more of a light pink, which is not what I was really going for at first, but I still made it work, like I'm just kind of blending that in the outer corner of my eye and just trying to pack it on until I have the desired color. And next I'm gonna go ahead with that color Cake. And guys, when I saw this color in the palette, I was like, oh my god, I need to use this. So that's what I'm doing, and I'm focusing that mostly on the inner portion of my lid all the way up to the middle, and just making sure that like everything is blended through. So you're gonna see me in a moment just adding more pink and blending everything through with that color Envy once more, just to make sure that like everything is seamless, because I want it to be like blended and not look too harsh. I'm going to use that color Angel Eyes in my inner tear ducts, and I'm going to go ahead and top off the look with my lashes from BeautybyBD. I forgot which ones these are. I think it's Toronto, but it will be in the description box. So guys, this is the end of the video. This is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this look. It's something a little different. I don't know, I was just going with the flow. So yeah, it's not bad. I actually like it, but I want to know what you guys think. So leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this look. And of course, let me know if you want to see more videos like these, if you want to see me get more creative with my makeup, or if you have any other video ideas that you'd like to see, comment it down below and would be glad to bring that to you guys. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you subscribe, because if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Can we just talk about that, sis? Like, what are you doing? Just subscribe to our channel. You're missing out. But yeah, thank you guys so much for your support and your love, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.